This is a free exercise for geology. It's a free game, you can play this yourself. It's about the cross section of a waterfall and all the features that are involved with a waterfall. I'm gonna press start now. Eddy currents and splashback is what we see here. Here we see ridges of hard rock that create an uneven slope. That causes rapids in this case. Here we see a soft rock undercutting that evolves in a steep-sided gorge. Here in the plunge pool we see pebbles, stones and boulders. This is of course harder rock. This is soft rock, can be sandstone or limestone. And here we see an overhang, and used to be a bigger overhang. This is of course a river. Here we see harder resistant rock or igneous rock that's needed to make this waterfall possible. The retreat direction of the waterfall is that way. Here we see the plunge pool and of course the waterfall itself. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find a link to the game. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in watching some more geography lessons, you can watch them in those videos, or some beautiful landscapes or whatever. Oh, and please don't forget to play that game I told you about. You can find the link to that game in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.